Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. If you don't know what Holidays with the Housewife is, no worries, it is my annual Christmas card making event, 12 full days of card making fun. Today I have another really easy insert card for you. This is my gingerbread cookie insert card. Isn't that adorable with the little Christmas trees and the hearts? So cute. Of course it can be made with any of the Cricut cutting machines. This is super simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you've typed in the password, you're brought to all the free files. At the time of recording this video, I do not have any of the Holidays with the Housewife card files in my file library, but there is a graphic that is popping up right now that tells you the design number for this particular card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink, download the file onto your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to convert the pen line, so highlight that line, come up to the operation menu and change that to pen. You can change the color here if you wish. Highlight the group and attach. Once you've done that, we can head up to Make It. I'm going to be using the card mat for this card. For this particular design, you're going to want to make sure that you have the smaller material size selected, which is 4.25 by 5.5. And go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using the insert card, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then I will go ahead and get everything cut out. Step 4. Cut out the design. So first I'm going to slip the card base into the card mat, making sure to line up my edges well. I'm going to use my brayer to ensure that everything is nice and secure. I'll go ahead and load the mat into the machine. Insert my pen. I'm going to click Go in Cricut Design Space. Step 5. Assemble your card. Now that we have finished the cut, go ahead and remove the card from the mat. Go ahead and open up the card and place the insert into the slits on the card base. And there we have our fun and simple gingerbread cookie insert card. Wasn't that super fast to put together? I hope that you like this video. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of friends who love to support and motivate each other, and we can't wait to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.